River Community College's Forrest County Center is located just minutes away from downtown Hattiesburg on Highway 49. The Forrest County Center provides opportunities for both academic and career technical students. The FCC offers various schedules including daytime, nighttime, weekend, and online courses to accommodate all students. Building 1 on the Forrest County Center houses the math department, faculty offices, as well as the Student Success Center. Here, students can study in the quiet zone, receive tutoring in a variety of subjects, meet with a peer leader to help you adjust to college, and much more. Building 2 is where you can find the Department of English, faculty offices, and maintenance, and is currently undergoing some major renovations to keep up with the continuous enrollment increases on campus. Building 3 houses business technology and is where students can locate the Office of Student Services. Here you can receive counseling and advisement opportunities to help make a student's career at PRCC the best possible experience. Building 4 is where the Forrest County Center Library and Learning Lab is located. Library hours are Monday through Thursday 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., Friday 7 a.m. to 3 p.m., and summer hours are Monday through Wednesday 7:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m., Thursday 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Building 5 is undergoing major constructions and plans are to have brand new spaces up and running for the fall semester, including a multi-purpose room for students to congregate and set up study sessions, a micro market where students will now be able to grab a bite without leaving campus, and an all-new Wildcat Den bookstore where students can get books, study materials, and the latest trends in Wildcat gear, as well as an attached courtyard for students to take advantage of the Forrest County Center's expansive views. Building 6 is known as the Allied Health Center, which is an emphasis throughout the Forrest County Center. Several specialties that are exclusive to FCC are located here, including dental assisting, where students are able to get hands-on training while working on local residents, surgical technology, respiratory care technology, PTA, OTA, and more. Building 7 is where you can find our career technical programs that continue to keep our workforce growing, from electronic engineering and technology to welding. Students can find the tools they need to be successful in life right here at the Forrest County Center. Pearl River Community College's Forrest County Center strives to embody the Wildcat way: pride, respect, class, and character. For more information, visit prcc.edu. Hear our roar.